anything. And of course you can take a picture in the video, it's okay. Okay, good? So it's your first time to see like that? First time? First time, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, welcome. And this one here we call it watermill. Watermill because it's with the power of water. Because the water, if you hear that the water comes from the river, you can see it. It's behind you, sir. And there. Yes, coming from the river, coming from the waterfalls. So you are so tired maybe because you visit waterfalls? Yes, that's why. Just give me just a moment to show what you have inside here. Then you can go to have to take a shower. To sleep. Okay, good? Good?
Yeah.
If you're interested, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes, if you have underneath you have a turbine. A turbine can connect with the stone. When this turbine turn cools the water, it gives the power to stone to spine to grain the grain, for example the barley, the grain, we put inside here. And doing this one turn, we take the small wood like that to make like a vibration to put the barley or the grain inside it in the hole to grain it, to get the flour. And this flour, we use it for cooking in the kitchen, to prepare the bread or to make the couscous. You know couscous Moroccan, sir? You tried before?
Yeah.
Couscous. Why?
It-
Change between if you want to get the flour for couscous or flour for a bread. The small flour for a bread and the big flour for couscous. Okay, good? You got it? Good. You can have a look inside. You can see this place inside for water. Like a sauna. Okay, good? Okay, our kitchen, Berber kitchen or Amazigh kitchen, it's open in the sky like that all the time because we use the wood for cooking. That to give us a lot of smoke. You can see the result here. Because this is how it's very old. And of course we use traditional instant food dishes. For example, this one here, this small thing, we use it for couscous. This one here, for couscous. To make the couscous, we put inside the couscous and under the vegetables or meat or chicken, and it's cooking by a steam. By a steam inside. And of course, it goes for spice and hair for to get cold water in the summer. We use what we call it in Arabic khabia. We call it khabia. Storage room.
Oh, is it?
Not like this.
And the place for the flour, we use all what we was behind you, sir. Yes, for the flour, for to store flour. And the olive oil, we have also what we call it in Arabic khabiars here for to store olive oil because every Amazigh family has the olive trees. That's why. Okay? Dana or khazina, like I said, we put or we save inside here something important, like money, papers, honey, cheese, something have a big value. You know? Okay, good. Yes, and this one is traditional way to make to extraction the butter from the milk. You know butter?
Yeah.
Yes, we put inside here, of course, the cow milk, and we take it like that. If you're strong, if you work fast, you can get the butter just after 10 minutes. You can get the butter. England people? England? England. In the past, your country, you use this one for to extract the butter. Maybe. Like that? Children?
Yeah.
Yes. But here in Morocco, we use like this one a lot, and sometimes you can find like this one. Yes, and here's salon inside. Salon only the rooms for the guests. Cameraman, this one is bedroom. The bedroom for parents and the kids, small children.
Oh, that's
This is room
the
for the guests.
guests.
If you see that it's without door, that means like a hospitality.
Okay.
We don't close this room.
Oh.
Yes, and here the garden. This is the kitchen for the guests. Okay, good? The garden, we use it actually a lot. For example, when someone gets married, we use it for celebration between family. Yes. But the problem with this place here, it's the river. Rivers, it's very close, sometimes coming in this area, in this place. So you can sit here, all the students come from the river. Just here, it's not all this place. throw it now. Beautiful. Throw right here. No, we're still nearby the flood.
Believe it.